Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a microscope. So, let's begin. To draw a microscope, I need a ruler and just draw a line here. Two more small lines and let's join them. Now draw a curved line like this. That's pretty good. Now again, using a ruler, I will draw another line here. Looking like a cleat. I'm making a sharp line. And now it will be a long rectangle. Another curved line here. Draw the microscope's eyes. The first one. Now the second one. And here, finally, the third one. Okay, now I have to make a circle, so to do that I'm using a cap. I am not going to use any compass because it will make a dot inside the paper and that will not look good, so I'm using this to make a circle. I have to make one more circle inside it. my drawing is done, and now let's do the coloring. Today I'm using my black marker to do the coloring. If we are not careful, then this will happen. So this is not looking good. So I'm using my ruler and my black pen again to give it a good shape. Using my gray color pen to color some areas, because this shouldn't be proper black, that won't look good. So I'm using my gray color pen here. And I need a lighter gray color, so I think using my pencil would be better. This is giving me a lighter gray color, which is nice, which is looking very nice here. This is how you can draw a microscope within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.